Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today, in this training video, I will tell you about the importance of the DMS module and prerequisite modules, which are mandatory before installing Document Management System module for its working. Objective. The objective of this training is to understand following. What does the Document Management System, DMS module include? Which modules are required before installing Document Management System? How can DMS and its supporting modules be installed? Prerequisites. To perform this activity, user must have superuser account and system administrator role with organization access. Document Management System. The Document Management System, DMS module within an ERP system, provides a centralized platform for storing, organizing, and managing business documents in digital format. It enables users to efficiently upload, categorize, and access documents of all types, for example, PDF, text files, docs files, Excel, images. It also offers various features like version control, access permissions, audit trails, sharing of documents, folders, and digital signatures, helping organizations to collaboration and enhance overall operational efficiency with improved timeline. Modules. These are the list of modules that are mandatory to install. Install them in the same sequence before installing Document Management System module. Market. Vienna Advantage base files. Vienna Advantage framework. Supporting files. Vienna Advantage Professional. Vienna Advantage Standard. Vienna Advantage Dashboard. API Services. API Library. DMS Editor Files, Document Management System, How to install. These are the steps that the user must follow for installing the module. Login into System. Open Market. Search and select module. Click Install or Update button. Let's go through these steps one by one through training video. Please log into System using superuser account and System Administrator role with Heart Organization. Once logged in, please open Market. Search for the module. For example, Market, select Module, and click on Install or Update button, then select the tenant and click on Install. Once the module is successfully installed, the user can scroll down to check the log. If the All Done message appears at the end, it confirms that the installation was successful. User can also check other data in log for information. Relog in the link. In the same way, install other modules. Thank you.